Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Tim Morset, Coldwell Banker, and I'm so excited because we're in front of our hot new listing at 25 Camarin in Foothill Ranch. You know how much I love Foothill Ranch. This house is gorgeous inside. It's 6 bedrooms, 4 baths, a gorgeous pool, spa, barbecue in the backyard, backing up to a green slope. You're just gonna love this house. It's full of custom upgrades. The price is only $1,500,000, $1,500,000 for over 3,500 square feet. Let's go inside. So as you enter through the custom double doors, you're in the formal living room and dining area. This is a great place to have parties, entertain family and friends. The house is brand new vinyl windows and been freshly painted. And I love the spiral staircase. This is one of the nice features of the house. Adjacent to this area, you've got a downstairs bedroom and full bath and laundry. Let's take a look at that. So from the formal living room and dining room, we enter the spacious family room. This is a great size here. I can imagine being here with friends and family watching a football game. Now, what I've seen a lot of people do is they'll fill in these media niches and put a huge flat screen TV, then put maybe some cabinets on the side. But this is beautiful. It backs up to the pool and the slope of the backyard. And then from here, we travel to the kitchen. In the kitchen, we have a nice spacious breakfast nook. I would see this could accommodate 4 or 6 people easily. And behind me, you have a nice walk-in pantry. Stainless steel appliances, double oven. You have a microwave combination oven, and I just love the granite. It's got a great, I wouldn't say blue, but a kind of a beigey tint to it. It's just gorgeous. So you've got the oversized island, you've got the countertops, backsplash, vented hood, which is very nice. All new white European cabinetry. This kitchen is beautiful and it looks out onto the peaceful backyard. So let's go upstairs and take a look at the bedrooms. So at the top of the stairs, we immediately enter through the double doors into the master suite, and this is a master suite. This room is huge. High volume ceilings, nice recessed lighting, plantation shutters, hardwood floors throughout the entire upstairs. And then from here, we travel into the master bathroom. We have dual vanities, mirrored wardrobes, a Roman soaking tub that's very romantic, a separate shower, and you even have a little table in case you want to do your makeup and whatnot. Adjacent to the master suite is another bedroom. And what the sellers did is they put a doorway here to have access to it from the master suite. It's currently an office for the seller. It's got built-ins, cabinets, a Murphy bed that stays. But let's say you didn't need an office, you just want to make it a bedroom, or you could even make it a nursery. This is a great adjoining bedroom to the master suite. So the bedroom I'm walking out of now is one of the largest ones. Some people make it a bonus room. We have a secondary bathroom with dual vanities, another bedroom, and then what the sellers did with this property, the reason it's so unique, is they added 2 bedrooms extra and a bathroom. So the house has 6 bedrooms, 4 baths, over 3,500 square feet. This is a great property. It's very unique and it's very tastefully done. So for $1,500,000, boasting over 3,500 square feet, having 6 bedrooms, our nursery, 4 bathrooms, and we haven't even looked at the pool. Let's take a look at that. So here we are in the backyard. I love the pool. It's a PebbleTech dark color, which attracts heat, a nice large spa, barbecue, bar, and one of the nicest things about the backyard is the privacy. I can imagine being back here with my friends, barbecue, and have some cold drinks. So if you like this house, give us a call, Tim, Michelle, or Matt, 949-412-2233. Or if you already have a great house and you think one of your friends might like it, please have them give us a call too and make sure they mentioned you. Take care, be safe.